School crew, it's Mr. Bates here from the award-winning Shed School, ready to bring you another phonics lesson today. Don't forget, do click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload a video. Right, sit back and see if you can guess the sound. Here it comes! Did you guess it at home? Of course, it's Jolly Phonics Set 1, it's the sound P, and it looks a little bit like this. Hey! P, P. Can you do that at home? P, P. It's kind of like you're blowing out the candles on a cake. P, P, P. Now be really careful with this one, not to add the sound on afterwards, because it's not pa, 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 pa. It's more like this. I wonder if you can spot any p sounds around you today.
A boy is having a birthday party. He opens his presents and plays some party games. He then puffs out the candles on his cake. They are trick candles and they keep relighting. Everybody tries to puff out the candles, going puff, 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 puff. They eat the cake and all sing happy birthday.
Awesome sauce! Hey, I know a song all about the p sound. Check it out!
Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, 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 puff. Puff out the candles on the pink, pink cake. Puff, puff, puff.
Oh, I love that song. Ooh, yeah. Hey, I wonder if you can think of any fruits that begin with the p sound. I'll give you a clue. Here's one. Hey, do you know what it is? Of course, it's a pineapple. Spiky. How about this one?
Here you go.
Oh, that's slightly trickier, that one. Do you know it? Of course, it's a pear. And lastly, how about this one? Oh, I'm so hungry now. That one looks delicious. Of course, it's a peach. Give yourself a big marshmallow clap. That's all we've got time for today, but we'll see you next time here in the Shed School. See you later. Bye.